What's up, guys? This is how to make your teeth like silver, whatever. I already did the top one. It kinda looks real, but no. So I got a piece of tinfoil already. Just shape it out like do this. Doesn't have to be that perfect. I try to be perfect, but no, too big. Too big. So apparently you don't need that big of a piece. You need like a skinnier piece version, guess to call it. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't think you could see me. Pretty sure it's right here. I don't know. But like this big. And cut your teeth like that. Yeah. Fold it around your teeth. I'll do that. So I did that. Okay. God, I really ruined it. I really did ruin it. If it's not staying, use non-toxic glue. Let's try to eat something. Hold up. So I found some chips back here. This kind. It was probably backwards. Hold up. So I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna bite them. Bite this, not those. Puff, 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 puff. Let your uncle get a puff, puff of that weed. And so I guess that's milk. Dope song. Dope song. So, my bird got bottle like that. What dog went out? If you guys have a Musical.ly, go add me. Weed Lover 4567. I will put it in the description down below. Comment whatever you like. So, this is the chip, how it looks like. So I'm gonna go put it in the oil. I'm in the kitchen, and the phone was right there, and there's a fridge, there's cupboards, and I am sitting on a counter. Now we look pretty dope. It looks like this. This is good as fuck. Gucci as fuck. Okay. This is so. I might have chewed up the bottom piece. So, next is to try drinking. So I got Dr. Pepper, the bomb. So, cheers. Okay. It's alright, but it just kind of moves out of place. Yeah. That'd be so funny if I swallowed it. Guys, I'm gonna make a new bottom one, okay? Okay. It didn't go out of place. Oh, now it did. So, I'm gonna take another shot. Didn't come out of place. No, so dumb. So I took them out. And I had to hide the tinfoil from my brother and my cousin because if they see me like messing around with stuff, they will. So my house is pretty. Going as fuck. I'm still enjoying my doctor. Oh, I was still up. Guys, if you don't know who Jake Paul is, search him up on YouTube and go follow him. I love him. Not like in love, like that. Like I'm subscribed and liking his videos and like that. And yeah. Next video, I don't know. It's probably like life hacks or whatever to clean. Yeah. So, bye.